What's up everybody, and today I'm going to break down Harry's starter kit for you, and particularly the one that I got myself. Now this one I ordered online, and if you want to do the same thing, check out the description for a link. You can go straight to Harry's and get one yourself. So here we go. And first let me say, this video is not sponsored by Harry's in any way, shape, or form. You have two ways to purchase Harry products. You can either order online or you can go to Target. Now, both are going to cost the same. The only problem is, as we all know, or maybe you don't, if you go to Target, you never walk out with what you originally went there for. You end up with a shopping cart full of stuff, and before you know it, you're at the register, they tell you the price, you see it on the screen, and you're just like, what? Please tell me this happens to other people, not just me. Or is it just me? Let me know. So I ordered this kit online. And a few days later, this is what arrived. Opening up the box, we see some pamphlets and a sample of post-shave balm. Which isn't a lot. It's gonna be like one use, but hey, it was free. Now you get a decent amount of their shave gel in this kit, 4 ounces, in this nice smooth aluminum can. Which I like for shave gel, and that you can purchase this separately for a fair price. Harry's also includes a travel cover for your razors. It's only designed to cover the razor head itself. Don't expect too much from this cover because it pops off very easy. So if you're traveling, you have it in a toiletry bag, chances are you're going to find it loose rolling around inside of there. Your 2 extra razors inside of their case. And saving the best for last, the razor and the handle. Now this handle just feels and looks amazing. It's well designed. It has this kind of cool, hip, modern kind of feel going for it. I actually really like it. So something that's really cool about Harry's is you can choose the starter kit that you want. Now you're gonna see an option where you can get either orange, green, or blue, and then there's that chrome option for $10 more. Now they have 2 types of handles. So this is where it gets a little different, is the colors for orange, green, and blue represent the Truman handle. That chrome option for $10 more is an upgrade to their Winston. So that's it for today's little unboxing of Harry's starter kit that I got online. Guys, if you liked it, if you got some value out of this, please hit that subscribe button. Until the next time.